Okay, hello everyone. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please give your attendance. Okay, so let me start my class. Um, Everyone, can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, in our previous class, we discussed about Lorentz, some math or problems about uh, Lorentz expansion or Lorentz series, and also uh, Taylor expansion or Taylor series. Um, Today, I'm going to show you another example of uh, Lorentz expansion or Lorentz series. Okay, so please tell me what we have to do for solving this type of math at first.
এটা তো স্যার পার্শিয়াল ডিফারেন্সিয়েশন করতে হবে।
So, at first you have to find out the partial differentiation, partial fraction form, and then you have to use the region, and after that you have to find out the Lorentz series from there. So we can say that. Then what we have to do?
স্যার জেড যখন 1 থেকে বড়
Yes, please.
স্যার জেড কে যে কোনো মূল্যে 1 থেকে ছোট বানাতে হবে, প্রথমে ডিভাইড করতে হবে।
So you have to do these things. And here, let's take a look at here. One of them is z square plus 1, and another one is z plus 2. Okay, so we have to make these things like
Sir, Lorentz is German 1 থেকে ছোট হয়।
Yeah, so here you can also make this thing like that, and you can say this is 1 by modulus of 1 by z square less than 1, and also you can say the modulus of z by 2 less than 1. So this is your condition. Now you have to find out the partial fraction from your given complex number or function. So let's tell me here fz is to 1 by z square plus 1 and also z plus 2. So you have to solve this term by using partial fraction. So what will be the result for this type of function? What we have to do in our next step for solving this? Anyone?
আমরা
হ্যাঁ বলো কি করতে হবে?
আমরা ইউজ করতে হবে।
How can we use thumb rule for finding the?
না না স্যার, এটা ম্যানুয়ালি করতে হবে।
Yes, so
ম্যানুয়ালি পার্শিয়াল ফ্র্যাকশন করতে হবে।
You have to do it manually because this is not a linear factor. Okay, so আমি বলেছিলাম যে linear factor you can also use thumb rule. Here একটা হচ্ছে z square plus 1 and also z plus 2. So thumb rule here on the applicable. So what we have to do? Please tell me.
ax plus b divided by z.
Yeah. So we have to and consider this is a by z plus 2, and another one is b what?
bx plus c, sir.
Sir, bx by z square plus 1.
Okay, so now tell me, is it bx?
bx plus c divided by z square plus 1.
The bx plus c divided by z square plus 1, but এটা কি x হবে?
Z
হবে।
Yes, sir,
so
bz.
bz. You have to let here the variable which is z. So this is bz plus c divided by z square plus 1. Now you have to solve this equation by your common rule. It is you have to multiply this equation by z square plus 1 plus into z plus 2. So you can get 1 a z square plus 1 z plus c into z plus 2. Okay, so this is our equation 2. Now tell me, how can I solve this?
sir, -1 or -2 ধরব।
-1 and -2.
-1 এ চলে যাবে স্যার, -2 ধরলে ডান দিকের বি সি চলে যাবে।
Okay, so here this is plus 1 and this is plus 2. So at first you have to find out the value of a. So if you let z equals to -2, so this term will be removed from here and you can find out the value of a. Okay, so যেটা বড় ছিল এটাকে আগে রিমুভ করে দিচ্ছি। ওকে, তো লিনিয়ার টার্মটাকে আগে বসানোর ট্রাই করবে, লিনিয়ার ফ্যাক্টরের মধ্যে যেটা এটা নিয়ে পরে চিন্তা করো, আগে জাস্ট অনলি ইউজ দিস So here you can say putting z equals to -2 from 2, you can get here 1 equals to 5. So therefore a equals to 1 by 5. Okay. Now tell me here equals to 1 by 5. Now how can I
স্যার জিরো ধরলে স্যার আরেকটা পাওয়া যাবে মেবি জেটের ভ্যালু
um, how can I
জিরো
find out
ধরলে স্যার
the value of
C এর
C and C? Okay.
স্যার 2c প্লাস
So
a
okay, now I'll give you another process. Just take a look here. You can rearrange this equation in this way, which is I think a z square plus a plus b z square plus cz and also plus 2bz plus 2c. Okay, and from here you just তো আমার এই লাইনটা লেখার মানেটা কি বুঝতে পেরেছো?
স্যার সহগ সমীকৃত করা।
Yes, so you have to equating the coefficient of this equation, and also you can find out your constants, values of constants, which is b and c. Okay, from here. So equating we can say that a plus c. So here a is equal to so here a plus b equals to 1. It's telling me and just equating these two coefficients, and from here you can say a plus b equals to what? 0. How?
বাম পাশে
স্যার
জেড স্কয়ার নাই
স্কোয়ারের কোনো টার্ম নাই স্যার বাম পাশে।
Okay, so there is no square term of z in our left hand side, so you cannot equating it. So the value of a plus b equals to 0. Okay, from here you can also say that b equals to minus a and also minus 1 by 5. Okay, and now also equate z. So এখান থেকে তোমরা obviously c এর ভ্যালুটা পেয়ে যাচ্ছ। অথবা তুমি যদি শুধু only constant রাখো না, এখান থেকেও obviously you can get your value of c. Okay, so so what is the value of 2b plus 6? So what is the value of b?
মাইনাস 2/5 স্যার।
So here c will be minus 2b and also minus 2 into b is minus 1 by 5. So you can say this is 2 by 5. Okay, so here c equals to 2 by 5 and a equals to 1 by 5 and also b equals to minus 1 by 5. Okay, now put those values in equation 2. Okay.
সি এর ভ্যালুটা কত আসছিল স্যার? এটা কে দিছিল স্যার?
2 by 5. Okay. So from here you can say f set 1 by here z square plus 1 also z plus 2. Okay, and after that you already find out the values of a, which is 1 by 5 into z plus 2, and also bz c, that means b is our minus 1 by 5, z plus c, c means 2 by 5, and also this is z square plus 1. Okay, now just simplify this equation. It's 1 by 5, you can say this is 1 by z plus 2, and after that you can also say this is minus z minus 2 divided by z square plus 1. Okay, now tell me, how can we find out the Lorentz series from this equation, from here? Our given region will be less than 1, and also find z by 2 less than 1. Okay. Now please tell me the Lorentz series from here. What we have to do now?
প্রথমটা থেকে 2 কমন নিলে হবে স্যার 1 বাই z প্লাস 2 ওখানে নিচে 2 কমন নিলে হবে
Okay, so just from here you have to
যদি
take
2 কমন নিই স্যার তাহলে z বাই 2 প্লাস
then you can get z by 2. Okay. And from here what we have to do?
z স্কয়ার কমন নিলে স্যার সামনে 1 হচ্ছে ওখানে 1 বাই z
Yeah, thank you. So here you can say this is 1 by 2 to 1 plus z by 2, and here I can also say z 2 z square 1 plus 1 by z square. Okay. And after that you can also write this equation 1 plus z by 2 is 1, and also here you can say it is z minus 2 divided by z square, and 1 plus 1 by z square. So from here you can just expand this term into a binomial expansion, and you can get your required result. So tell me about it. এটা কিভাবে করতে পারবে? 1 plus z by 2 and this one. Just tell me the formula of this.
1 plus z by 2 square plus z by 2 minus z by 2 cube.
This is minus plus
তারপর
z square.
plus z by 2.
Okay. And here z minus 2 divided by z square. This is also 1 minus 1 by z square plus 1 by z4 minus. So here 1 by 5. Just multiply this 1 by 5 in here. Okay. So this will be our solution or required answer. Okay. So তোমরা এতটুকু রেখে দিলেও চলবে. Okay. So
স্যার আমরা যেহেতু 1 থেকে ছোট করব ডেনোমিনেটরকে, নিউমারেটরকে কত করে, তাই না স্যার?
yes. So now another one. Okay. Here I will also want to show you another map, which is Cauchy integral formula. Okay. So just take a look at this is also important, which is show that where Q is the circle shape four. Okay. So we can solve this equation by using Cauchy integral formula. Okay. Cauchy residue theorem. Okay. Do you remember about Cauchy residue theorem? Everyone, please give your attendance at first. Please tell me about Cauchy residue theorem. Do you remember the formula of Cauchy residue theorem? Okay.
কি theorem, sir?
Cauchy residue theorem. Okay, no problem. I will just show you. Please tell me. At first, I tell you that this can be solved by Cauchy residue theorem. So you have to find out the residues of our given function. Okay. So if let fz equals to e to the power z square plus pi square square. Okay. So you can write this equation or write this function in this way, which is z square minus I pi whole square. After that, you can also say this is z plus I pi whole square and also z minus I pi whole square. Okay, is there any problem? Do you understand what I have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So now you have to find out the residues of from this function. Now tell me, how can I find the residues from here?
Denominator 0.
Denominator to 0. Okay, so you have to find out the whole of order. Okay, so here you can say pole of a set of 10 from the equation set plus pi square also 10. So from here we can say that here z is to pi I and also pi I and also minus pi I minus pi. So that means how many poles are here? Is it a simple pole or double pole?
Doubles.
Okay, so here you can say these two are
কি ভ্যালু হলে স্যার ডাবল পোল আর ডিফারেন্ট হলে স্যার সিঙ্গেল পোল?
yes, no. Here, if two values are different, that means only just z equals to plus minus pi I. So here z equals to pi I and also minus pi I. So these two are different, and you can say these are simple poles of your given function. Okay, and then you have to apply a Cauchy residue for formula for your simple pole. Okay, যেখানে কোনো derivative ছিল না, but for double pole here you have to apply double pole formula of residues. Okay, where derivative term there ছিল. So these are two different. So here is the each of double pole. So tell me the formula for find out the residues of double pole. Anyone? Yeah, what about this? Do you remember?
স্যার ডাবল একটু শর্টে বলতে পারবেন?
Okay.
বড় ছিল স্যার ফর্মুলাটা বলে।
So this is first, you can say limit z tends to a, and also have to is 1 by factorial m minus 1, also d z here m minus 1 and also m minus 1, and then here z minus z whole square into fz. Okay, so this is your formula, which is the double pole formula. Residues are the double pole. Okay, so here just not only double pole, this will be a higher pole of order. Okay, n. So here a minus 1 equals to limit z tends to a 1 by m minus 1 factorial d to the power m minus 1 divided by dz to the power m minus 1 into z minus z whole square into lz. Okay, so this is the formula. So here, what is the value of a and m for z equals to pi I?
A is equal to হবে স্যার পাই আই,
Yeah, and m equals to what? m এর ভ্যালুটা কত? হ্যাঁ,
2 স্যার,
বলো. Yes, so
2 স্যার।
here the value of n is 2, because double pole you can compare two values are z minus 5 I whole square. Okay, so here you can already say that this is a double pole, and here n equals to 2. Okay, so from here you can say limit z tends to pi I 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial 2 minus 1. I'm sorry, z 2 minus 1 here z minus pi I whole square, and also here lz. So lz here you can write these things like this, pi I whole square and also z plus pi whole square. Okay, so from here you can also remove this thing. This directly. Okay, And after that, you can say limit z tends to pi I, and also 1 by 1 factorial here by dz, also e to the power z divided by z plus pi I whole square. Then এখন কি করতে হবে বলতে পারবে? Just
differentiate করতে হবে।
Yes, just differentiate this thing, and this is also u by z method. Okay, so you can say that will be z plus pi I whole square into the power z minus z 2 z plus pi I to the power z. Okay, pi I 4. After that, you can say that if I simplify this question, you can get e to the power z, z plus pi I minus 2 divided by z plus pi I cube. Okay. Now just put the value z equals to pi I, and after that you can get minus pi plus I divided by 4 pi cube, and also e to the power pi I. Okay. So now tell me, what is the residue for z equals to minus pi I? This is the residue at z equals to pi I. This is the residue for z equals to pi I. So now tell me, what is the residue at z equals to minus pi I?
z equals minus pi I হলে তো স্যার নিচে মনে হয় 0 হয়ে যাবে।
হ্যাঁ, কি হবে বলো? I just say something.
pi minus I divided
Pi minus I. Okay, so here just only
minus I.
change the sign of your result. So here just that will be replaced by minus, and also this will be minus I. Okay, so
এগুলার
here I গুলোর আগে just তোমার সাইন গুলো চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাচ্ছে। কনজুগেট যেটা বলে কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার তুমি করে এসেছো। So here also residue and z equals to minus pi I will be minus pi minus I 4 pi cube into the power minus pi. And after that,
স্যার এটা তো আগের মতো আর ইন্টিগ্রেট করে দেখানোর দরকার নেই তাই না স্যার?
this depends on the marks of your question. So যদি এটা খুবই লেন্দি ম্যাথ হয় এবং মার্কস যদি কম থাকে তাহলে তোমাদের সেক্ষেত্রে এটা দুইবার না করে দেখালে হবে, বাট মার্কস যদি বেশি দেওয়া থাকে তাহলে অবভিয়াসলি এটা করে দেখানোটাই বেটার। ওকে, ওকে, so now you can say therefore the Cauchy, we have to use the Cauchy residue theorem. Okay. You can say which is say z square plus I square dz equals to 2 pi I into sum of the recipe. Okay. So here, just this is our Cauchy residue theorem, which is our required integration equals to 2 pi I into sum of the residues. যেগুলো আমরা বের করেছি. Okay. So we have found two residues of our given function and from our given function, and also just put those values in pair, and you can find out your required result. Okay. So ওকে, এখানে একটা জিনিস ছিল, এটার রেজাল্টটা হচ্ছে I by 5. Okay, so please solve this, and if there is any problem, discuss with me in our next class. Okay, so thank you everyone, that's all for today. সবাইকে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দিয়েছো everyone?